Today we will build a chatbot to answer frequently asked questions from customers. Here we use Starbucks FAQ page as an example. Let's have a quick demo. What's the best way to store coffee? Here is the answer from Starbucks website. What's the grind should I use? These questions and answers are from Starbucks webpage. The skill we use today can be applied to any company's FAQ page. For example, you can build one for your company. Create a new knowledge base, Starbucks FAQ. Copy the web address from Starbucks FAQ page. Create a new document. Paste the link here. Let's test it. What's the best way to store coffee? Oops, no response. Why? Oh, we need to add a response here. Save it. Test it again. Yes, this is the answer from the website. Double-check the question and answers from the Starbucks Coffee FAQ page. Good job! Today we built an FAQ feature to answer frequently asked questions from customers. The same skill can be applied to use any FAQ web address for any companies. In next video, we will build a follow-up intent to handle the different response from customers. Subscribe to the channel for future updates. Share the link with your friends who are interested in building chatbots. See you in next video.